Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a very sad story for you. This story is about a snake that bites a man's penis. This man was rushed to the hospital for treatment. This incident happened when this man went to the toilet to ease himself. As he brought out his penis and he was easing himself, he just felt a bite on his penis, and when he saw, before he could turn his eye down, he saw that it was a snake that bit him, and he shouted. And at that period, the snake really stinged it very well. So this man has been rushed to the hospital, and the doctor said that during the test, as they were trying to test if the snake was a snake that has the venomous poisons in it. So as the doctor checked, the doctor now said that the poison has not spread, and the man, let them see if they are going to work on it and if he would recover very well. But he is lucky because he was quickly rushed to the hospital. And this man said he has been hearing situations like this but never wished it happened to him. So now let's see how the doctors are going to be treating this kind of case. This man suffered minor injury because the snake was not venomous. If not, this would have resulted in a very big problem in his manhood. This man was rescued and rushed to the hospital, and this is where the doctor said that this particular snake that stung him was not poisonous. If not, that would have resulted in a very big problem in his manhood and body. And even as he is there, he's still under observation for the doctors to be checking him. You can see that snake bites is rampant now. Let us be very careful about our vicinity, our environment, our homes, even inside the house. This particular snake came out from the toilet, inside the toilet this time around. This emergency that occurred happened, as the man said, when he wanted to urinate in the toilet, he felt a strong burning sensation in his manhood, and when he looked down, that was when he realized that it was a big snake inside the toilet that had bitten him. So he was quickly rushed to the hospital. The doctor said the man told him that he has spotted the snake, that it was a dotted snake that had bitten him. And the doctor, when the doctor checked, the doctor saw that the snake was not having this venomous poison in it. So the man was a little bit lucky, because if the poison had entered his body, it would have spreaded before he would have even gotten to the hospital. So now the man also is in intensive care unit for treatment. He's under observation, and the doctors are trying to check him to see if there will be any kind of emergency or development later. He's still in the hospital. The doctor now said he was very lucky because it is not easy for a snake to bite somebody without putting a poisonous venom in a human body. So for this his case, he is very lucky. That was after the test conducted shows that there was no poison in his body. Snakes of so many species are very poisonous, and they will strike out to defend themselves, especially in a pit toilet where they see that they can be killed, or when they saw that it was a human facing them, so they will always strike out. But for this particular man, that he was so lucky that the snake had not really stung him that hard. It is also recommended that we keep the house clean, and also keep the snake spray that will scare snakes away from our vicinities, so that we don't see all this kind of issues where you never planned for, or things that will just make you start running helter skelter when you never wish to run any race. We have to be very, very careful now. This snake bite has become rampant from the toilet, and I think another method of or another remedies for us now is getting this chemical. There is a chemical whereby you can pour inside your toilet, and when you pour it, it kills any kinds of, it goes down to the sockaway and it kills any kind of reptiles that is inside there trying to come out. And in this kind of situation, you have to play a kind of you being safe and your family members also being safe, and also you avoiding reptiles like snake coming into your own house. Keep your house clear of rats. You should minimize the grasses in your environment, as also minimize trees that are around you, because these are things that attract snakes to come around. The snake can even be crawling in the grasses and you would not know, or coming around. So you try to make your home clean and make your environment clean. If you have a garden, try to keep the garden neat, cut the grasses time to time, and make sure the environment is neat so that you can even be seeing even till the last grass on the floor. And when you see any kind of movement, any kind of zigzag movement, you have to be very, very vigilant in this kind of situation now. So you have to make sure you always close your windows, your windscreen, your doors, to avoid unwanted surprise or unwanted visitors, which is the snake. Because when they come like that, they are visitors, unwanted visitors, which you never wish for. And by the time they come, they will give you the worst nightmare where you never expected. You know, by that time you'll be so confused, and by the time you're shouting, before the people serve that will come to help you, if it's somebody that does not even have mind to kill a snake, two of you will just be there shouting, and at that process the snake will have the power to attack. If you find this video interesting, please thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and also share this video with your friends and families. This is a message to share to our loved ones, our children. Let everybody know that this is what is happening. Let your vicinities be clean. Try and make sure you always turn on your bulbs so that you can see what is happening at night. We know that because of a kind of a meter, prepaid meter, the meter you pay, that's why we switch off lights most time. But I think for this kind of thing, instead of you to go and be spending more in the hospital, it's better at night let your bulb be on, so that as you wake up at night and want to enter into the toilet, you should be able to see where you're going to. Not by the time you go in, you go and switch on the bulb, and by that time maybe the snake is already inside the pit waiting for you to come. So please, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you love this video, thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't fail to tap the bell for notifications of new videos. Like and also share this video with your friends and families. See you guys in my next video. Bye.